Take this every day to eliminate knee pain and swelling. Take a close look and tell me, have you ever tried it? Do you know which vitamin we're talking about? Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for anyone dealing with knee pain or looking to keep their knees healthy and strong. Vitamins. Specifically, we're going to talk about the most important vitamins for sick knees and how they can make a huge difference in your joint health. But before we get started, if you're passionate about improving your health and wellness, make sure to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with all our latest tips and advice to keep you feeling your best. Trust me, you won't want to miss out. Whether you're an athlete, someone dealing with knee arthrosis, or just looking to maintain healthy knees as you age, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the vitamins, let's take a moment to understand what's going on inside your knees. Your knee is a complex joint made up of bones, cartilage, ligaments, and the synovial membrane. The cartilage in your knee is a robust and highly elastic connective tissue that enables the normal movement of one bone over another. It acts like a cushion, absorbing shocks and allowing smooth, pain-free movement. However, over time, this important tissue can start to wear out, become damaged, or even crack. This leads to inflammation, causing pain, swelling, and stiffness. This condition is often referred to as knee arthrosis. It's a common issue that many people face, but the good news is there are ways to support your knee health naturally. Vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining the health of your knees, especially your cartilage. Cartilage is a tissue that doesn't regenerate easily, so once it's damaged, it can be challenging to repair. This is why prevention and proper maintenance are key. Let's break down the most important vitamins for your knees and how they can help. First up is vitamin C. Most of us know vitamin C as the immune booster, right? But did you know it's also vital for your knee health? Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, which is the main component of all connective tissues, including cartilage. Collagen helps in wound healing and the repair and maintenance of bones, teeth, and cartilage. If you're dealing with problematic knee cartilage, there's a good chance you might be lacking in vitamin C. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, reducing the risk of inflammation and further damage. Some great sources of vitamin C include kiwi, peppers, oranges, strawberries, papaya, pineapple, grapefruit, broccoli, mango, tomatoes, and spinach. Aim to get at least 500 milligrams of vitamin C per day, either through your diet or supplements. Next, we have vitamin D. This vitamin is unique because our body can actually produce it when exposed to sunlight. Vitamin D is crucial for the development and maintenance of healthy bones. It helps in the proper absorption of calcium, which is necessary for strong bones and teeth. Vitamin D also plays a role in the prevention and treatment of cartilage deterioration. Studies have shown that adequate levels of vitamin D can help slow the progression of osteoarthritis. The recommended daily dose of vitamin D is about 1,000 IU, but sometimes you might need more, especially if you have a deficiency. Let's not forget about vitamin K. This fat-soluble vitamin is essential for healthy blood clotting, bone health, and heart health. There are two main forms of vitamin K. Vitamin K1, found in leafy greens and some vegetable oils, and vitamin K2, found in dairy products, fermented foods, and animal products. Vitamin K2 is particularly important for bone health as it activates a protein that helps bind calcium to your bones. Higher intake of K2 has been shown to improve bone density and reduce the risk of bone fractures. Always take vitamin K with healthy fats like olive or coconut oil to improve absorption. All right, now that we've covered the key vitamins, let's talk about how you can incorporate them into your daily routine to support your knee health. Balanced diet. First and foremost, aim for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This will ensure you're getting a variety of nutrients, including the vitamins we discussed. If you find it challenging to get enough vitamins through your diet, consider taking supplements. A good multivitamin can help fill in the gaps. Specifically, look for supplements that include glucosamine, chondroitin, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin K. Bone broth. Incorporate bone broth into your diet. Bone broth is rich in glucosamine and other nutrients that support joint health. You can make it at home or buy it from a store. Sun exposure. Spend some time in the sun each day to boost your vitamin D levels. Aim for at least 15, 20 minutes of sun exposure on your skin. If you live in a place with limited sunlight, especially during the winter months, consider a vitamin D supplement to ensure you're getting enough. Leafy greens and fermented foods. Include plenty of leafy greens and fermented foods in your diet to boost your vitamin K levels. Think about adding spinach, kale, and broccoli to your meals, and try incorporating fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. Regular exercise. Engage in regular exercise to keep your joints healthy and strong. Low-impact activities like swimming, cycling, and walking are great for maintaining knee health without putting too much strain on the joints. Strength training can also help by building the muscles around your knees, providing better support and stability. Maintain a healthy weight. Keeping your weight in check is crucial for knee health. Excess weight puts additional stress on your knees, accelerating the wear and tear of cartilage. Aim for a balanced diet and regular exercise to maintain a healthy weight. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated helps keep your joints lubricated and supports overall joint health. So, there you have it. By understanding the importance of vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin K, and incorporating them into your daily routine, you can significantly improve the health of your knees. Remember, prevention is key, and taking these steps can help you maintain strong, healthy knees for years to come. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and take care of those knees.